A lot of people in their mid-30s to 50s have the self-limiting belief that it's impossible for them to lose weight at this age. But it's just simply not true. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can lose weight fast in your mid-30s to 50s by just simply managing your stress. And at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you a free resource that will save you so much time and trouble if you're trying to lose weight in your mid-30s to 50s. So make sure you watch the video to the end. So to first answer your question, is it possible to lose weight at this age if I'm in my mid-30s to 50s? The simple, straightforward answer is 100% yes. And in order to prove that and build trust with you, just have a look at all these people that I've been able to help. I helped Izio lose over 60 pounds in just like 4 months and built so much lean muscle and has so much more confidence now. I helped Tom lose over 100 pounds in just 12 months and is now able to play with his grandkids pain-free. And I helped Michael go from walking with a cane to losing over 120 pounds and has never felt better. A lot of them are dads with full-time jobs, just like you probably watching this video. Even with the trouble from their kids and the stress at work, they were able to get incredible results and never gain it back again. And they did this using my stress management method. In a moment, I'll walk you through the 3 steps to losing weight while managing your stress. Because losing weight in your 30s to 50s is pretty easy once you learn how to manage your stress properly. Look, if you're watching this right now, you're probably working a full-time job. And most of the time, when you get home from work, you feel really tired or fatigued and stressed out from work. What most people do in your situation is they crack open a beer, grab some not so healthy food, and relax by watching TV to cope with all this stress. I get it. Food and alcohol is a really good coping mechanism for a lot of people. But if your goal is to lose weight, you need to find a better way to cope with your stress that also complements your weight loss goals. Which brings us to our first step. Develop stress coping mechanisms that complement your weight loss goals. For example, if you feel stressed after you just came home from a long-ass day at work, instead of grabbing really unhealthy food or alcohol, go for a refreshing walk. Practice mindfulness meditation or some breathing techniques. This will complement your weight loss goals, while also allowing you to manage your stress much more effectively. Step number 2, work out, especially in the mornings. Studies have shown that when you work out in the morning, it actually increases your energy throughout the day. Because when you work out, your body cranks out testosterone. And with that increased testosterone, you'll have more energy and a better mood throughout the day. This will not only allow you to manage your stress, but also getting in those workouts will help you burn a little bit more calories. But there are people that feel tired throughout the day because they worked out first thing in the morning. The simple answer is a lot of them way overdo it, because they'll be given or buy some really dumb workout plan by some random weight loss guru that they found on the internet, and that they're gonna prescribe extreme diets and extremely stupid exercises in order to get to their goals faster. It's because unfortunately, most of the time, when people are looking for results and they go on YouTube or the internet or some random ass website for a workout plan, they don't work because it wasn't specifically designed and tailored to them and their goals and their bodies. That's why having a workout plan that's personalized to you is one of the secret ingredients to baking the perfect weight loss cake. If you want to create your own personalized workout plans, you got to try and experiment with a bunch of different workouts with different reps, different sets, different exercises, and see what works and fits for you. It's like trying on clothes, but for workouts. Step number 3, improving your diet. Whether you want to lose weight or manage stress, a diet has a huge role in this. You are what you eat for a reason. If you eat too many carbs or sugars or processed foods throughout the day, you'll be much more likely to experience fatigue and lack of energy, which will then lead you to more stress. That's why having a diet which is high in protein and minimal amounts of carbs will not only help you feel more satiated, but will make you feel a lot more energized. On top of that, tracking your macros and eating a 300 calorie deficit from whatever your maintenance calories is will help you lose 5 pounds a month at absolute minimum. And I know for being a busy 30, 40, or 50-year-old, finding time to make a daily meal plan customized to you and your goals and spending months or sometimes years trying to figure out the best workout plan that's optimized and tailored to you is like honestly trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's why I have created and I have a free video for you in the description below that shows you how you can get personalized workouts and meal plans without all the trial and error and the trials and tribulations. This will allow you to dodge all of the guesswork and start making progress right from the get-go. Click the link in the description to watch the free video now. See you in the next video.